Look, I know what it's like to run a small business. I'm a single household income earner, and so, my income has to pay for everything. And so I have to make sure that, the bills are paid and the dog's looked after and my kids are supported. And so there's a lot of things I have to do. And, in all honesty, I should have automated my business right from the start. But I was busy helping clients grow their businesses, refine their businesses, improve their online presence. And there isn't a lot I haven't heard, from a small business owner in terms of fears, in terms of anxiety, in terms of confusion, being overwhelmed. I too had a hotshot graphic designer, a copywriter, and a web developer who let me down. So it's taken me a long time to build the 𝗬cie Collective and a lot of trial and error. And it's true, not all service providers will provide services equally in terms of quality of work, in terms of time efficiency, in terms of ongoing support, in terms of fair pricing. So, what we promise you at 𝗬cie Collective, we'll treat you as a human being, we'll treat you with empathy. We offer a well-rounded service where it's not the services, who you are and your personality is very, very important to us. And we work with you in a way that you're comfortable working.